So guys, no wet plate video today because I'm still working on a solution for the mini lens. It's still printing. I just came from downstairs up because because I started the second print. I designed a lot and I had to find a new solution. You're gonna see the solution in the upcoming video then. Oh, I forgot something. For the next videos, the plates I did there, I will sell them on eBay from €1. So bookmark my eBay link. I will put it down in the description. As soon as the next wet plates video are online, I will put the plates there and you can buy them from €1. So it's pretty cool, I think. Okay, that's it. Yeah, there's one more thing. I have a talk in Graz on the 15th of April. About wet plate photography. It's kind of a new talk, a little bit different one. It's gonna be super fun. Come to the talk. I will put all information about the talk in the description where you can register for it. So as said, on the 15th of April in Graz, it's gonna be fun. I hope I see some of you guys there. And yeah, before I forget, there's one more thing that's a little bit funny. Yeah, photography is pretty easy these days, and I think it's pretty cool that everybody can take real great pictures with their phone. But what I find a little bit odd or funny is when the phone changes the face. I saw a video yesterday or the day before yesterday where they took a picture of a baby and the phone or the software put some teeth in there, like instead of the tongue, and it exchanged the eyes to different eyes. It looked good on the picture, but it's not longer your baby, right? These things are a little bit odd, I think. What else here? And there's one more thing about this, how is it called? Space zoom moon photos. Like, it's a cool feature. Like, you can just take a picture with your phone of the moon, and then their phone is doing some kind of overlay, what looks really cool. Like, I really think it's a cool outcome. But why not say it's like that? You know, why pretend you have a camera that has like a phone camera that can zoom until into the moon? I don't understand that, because every normal photographer would know that's physical not possible, right? To have like a little phone that can zoom into the moon. If you shot like an image of the moon with a 800mm lens, like a huge lens, you know what a hassle it is, and still you have to do some work on a cloudy day or something to get a cool picture out of it. And yeah, when I saw this video these days about this space zoom and moon fake images or projected images, AI images, whatever you want to call them, I remember that in 2021, I commented on a tweet where somebody, like a German YouTuber, wrote about that and had a short video where he showed where the software did an overlay on his lamp in the living room or something like that. And I only remembered because I made a fun comment back then. Then somehow the tweet was deleted or the video was deleted, and then there was a website talking about that video, that these are real moon photos. And they tested it and they're real. And I was like, how can that be with such a small phone? So I didn't care anymore. But right now I'm thinking it's a little bit funny to do that, right? Because if the AI works great and you have like a projection on the moon on the picture, it's a great feature. You can take a picture with your phone of the moon, and why not? But why call it's like real? That's something I didn't understand. Yeah, this was something I just came to my mind when I saw this video yesterday. Hopefully next week I can show you a wet plate video already, and sorry for the delay. Let me know what you think about these AI images from the phones and the moon stuff or the baby stuff, whatever. I will link the other video where I saw everything down in the description. And as always, guys, I'll be back, guys.